Hey everyone, welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to cut up a mango. So maybe you've seen these in the stores. This one happens to be from Mexico. And I don't know about you, but I like to see where my food is coming from. I don't know, first of all, I'm just curious. But also, there are some countries that, I don't know. It kind of scares me, but I'm not going to mention those countries here. But anyway, so I had this mango. It's been sitting on my countertop for a few days, getting ripe. And I'm going to show you how to cut it up. So you can pull that off or not. I just happen to do it. So when you cut the mango, you see how the mango is shaped where it's like a tear shape. And this side is broad, and this side is a little more narrow. So there's a broad seed in here. The seed is about like this inside. Okay, the seed is about like this inside, probably about as thick as my fingers here. And so we need to cut around that seed. Alright, and so what I'm going to do is cut down. Alright. Ooh! And then I'm going to cut on this side down. Alright. So you guys might think, well, I don't see a seed. Well, it's in there. It's just, this one is kind of a small seed. And so, I'm going to watch your fingers. The flesh is really soft on a mango. I can't wait to try it. I'm going to try this bit because I love mango. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of cut down. It's kind of hard to see the seed. But I am hitting the seed a little bit with this knife. Alright. There's the seed right there. Can't get through. Okay, I'm hitting the seed again. And I can just kind of feel it with my knife. It's kind of hard to see, but there really is a seed here. But there is a seed. You hear? You hear it? So there is a seed in here. So you just gently cut, carefully cut around till you get there. So this seed is not too bad. I've seen them thicker before. So let me see if I can. This seed is really hard. Oh. Yeah, I can't even break it. And there's still a little flesh. And kind of squeeze it to get the juice off. Alright, so that's the seed. Now that I have this done, we're going to want to remove the skin from our pieces. You don't want to eat the skin of the mango. So there we go. Oh, that's why. Thought it was all the way underneath. Tricked me. This mango is so ripe and sweet. Let me see, I'm getting sticky. Alright, so you do want to be careful as you're peeling, because the mango, the juice of the mango, it makes your hands very slippery, which is not good when you got a knife. And always cut away from you. As you can see here, I'm always cutting away from my fingers. Alright, now as for this part, you want to cut carefully. Make sure you don't go through it. You see my fingers are all the way, oh, you can't see that. So my fingers are all the way up here, kind of staying out of the way, just in case the knife goes through the skin, I won't get myself. And then you want to be mindful of where your thumb is. You don't want your thumb under where your blade's going to be. Alright, so a lot of people will unfold it like this. Or you can just keep going, and you see how it kind of peels itself. You could also use a spoon to kind of help you with that. I don't want to knock my knife off. Okay. And then you can scrape to make sure you get all your flesh out of there. Waste not, want not. Alright, last one. You know, you could also do it this way. Just kind of wanted to show you guys. Just with the tip of your knife, go through there. There you go. So you could either just eat it like this and just, you know, I'm just making sound effects. You know how it sounds when you eat a juicy fruit. Alright.
Yeah, right.
Here's my mom.
Darling. Yeah, go on.
Mom, I'm filming. You want to say hi?
Who is it?
I'm filming.
Who you filming?
I'm filming my show.
All right, then who you want me to say hi to?
Everybody in YouTube land.
Well, tell them I said hi.
You heard her, right?
Tell them I'm playing the cats right now.
Yeah, she's playing with the dog and the cats.
Get ready to feed them.
Alright. So, there we go. My last piece here. Let's move everybody over to the plate. Scrape it. Mom, you ever had a mango?
Mango.
Uh-huh.
I had one before.
Yep, that's what I'm cutting up. Alright.
My mother used to call green peppers mangoes.
Alright, so there we go. We got my mango all cut up and in nice bite-sized pieces. That's so good. Mmm. This mango is so, so good, y'all. It is mango season. It's mango season right now.
Yeah.
And so they're really good at the moment. So anyway, thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I'll see you next time.
Bye.